2024 travels are off and running, and we are heading west to Bude on the west coast of Cornwall. We have 3 days filled with things to do and things to see. We've got the bikes on the back and the blue skies above us, so let's hope we are in for a great few days. And that is the Caravan Company on the left now, and here we are an hour into our journey, and it's time for a quick driver switch. And we are back on the road again. And here we have a horse tethered to a roundabout. That's not something you see every day. And it looks like someone forgot to steer. Hope they're okay. So the first part of our journey is to Exitor, where we have a hotel for the night before we head on to Bude in the morning. So we have arrived in Exitor at the Premier Inn. It's our first night stopover on our Cornwall trip. Basic hotel, but we wanted to get halfway to where we're staying this week. But the bar and restaurant are having problems with their card machine. They can't take card payments at all, so we are having to run down to the cash point so that we can buy drinks. So I am heading there now, and I've left Susanna Max in the bar. So right, let's get this money. Right, cash got from the cash point, back to the old days, using cash instead of card and contactless. Okay, and that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. We're going to have dinner, have an early night, because we're going to get up early and head to Bude, where we will be pushing up at a campsite called Bude Farm. So that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow. And today we head off to our campground in Bude, but first we have to fill up the empty fridge and cupboard, so it's a supermarket run.
But I think it might last.
It's not going to be the best week for weather, but
although it's getting slightly
brighter ahead of us.
It
is brighter ahead of us, so fingers crossed.
Depends which way the rain is moving.
It does. Anyway,
fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We're going to make a couple of stop-offs on the way, but let's enjoy the drive if we can.
Before we set off today, we thought we may stop by the Fenworthy Reservoir, which is in the middle of Devon, but I didn't fancy negotiating all these tight narrow roads and have to worry about passing other cars and things like that, so we decided to turn around and head straight to the campsite in the hope that we can get set up before the weather took a turn for the worse.
Unfortunately, we bailed on that idea. We were going to go to just a reservoir lake, but the roads look really narrow and
Too narrow.
yeah, and I just don't like. A bit boring, I know, but I don't want to meet something coming the other way with the bikes on the
Yeah, yeah.
and so we are heading straight to Bude.
And it stopped raining. Woohoo!
It's not raining for the moment.
Woohoo!
Hopefully.
My rain dance.
Did you do a rain dance? I thought you were just like drunk last night when you did that. So yeah, so we're heading now to Bude, to our campsite, which is called Bude Farm. We're hoping
Woda.
double O. Bude. I reckon it's Bude. We'll ask them.
Woda.
You say Bude, I say Bude, you say Woda.
I say tomato.
I'm a Bude and you're like Yoda.
Tomato.
Okay, we'll see you there. Enjoy the weather, hopefully.
Oh dear, this poor camper on the other side of the road has broken down, and I bet that is causing all sorts of delays. Let's see how long the queue goes on for. Yeah, I feel for them, but I am still glad that it didn't happen on this side of the road. And these wind turbines are dotted all over the Devon countryside. I can't make up my mind whether I am for or against them, but I've read that if they turn for 90 minutes they can power an average home for up to a month. And the roads are getting narrower, which means we must be getting closer to Bude Farm. And here we are, we have been given pitch E56, so let's get set up. So good afternoon everybody, welcome to Bude Farm. We've arrived in Bude after an aborted attempt to visit a reservoir lake. And here is our pitch. Just about fit on. Just. But we do have some good views overlooking the sea, helped by the fact that there's nobody set up in front of us. But we're about to have dinner before we head to one of the bars to see some live music. It's quite a lively place, lots of children around here today. It's Easter holidays, so that's expected, but we've got lots planned. Live music tonight at the bar, dinner in a minute, and tomorrow we are going to take the bikes into Bude and we'll probably show you around then. So
Hopefully we're going to get a good sunset here tonight. There's a lot of rain, a lot of clouds coming in over there that I can see, so I'm not sure how good it's going to be, but fingers crossed it will be good, and we'll see you later on.